Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, can I cash a check at Regions? I know this is a common question, and I'm happy to provide some helpful information. Before we get started, I want to make a few things clear. First, I am not a financial advisor. The information I provide in this video is not intended to be financial advice. Second, I am not affiliated with Regions Bank. I am simply a consumer who has used Regions Bank in the past. Now, let's get started. What is Regions Bank? Regions Bank is a regional bank with over 1,800 branches in 16 states across the United States. Regions Bank is a subsidiary of Regions Financial Corporation, which is a publicly traded company. Can I cash a check at Regions? The answer to this question is yes, you can cash a check at Regions Bank. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do so. First, you will need to provide valid identification. This can be a driver's license, passport, or other government-issued ID. Second, you will need to endorse the check. This means that you will need to sign the back of the check and write "Pay to the order of" your name. Third, you will need to provide proof of address. This can be a utility bill, bank statement, or other document that shows your current address. Once you have provided all of the necessary information, Regions Bank will cash your check. However, there may be some fees associated with cashing a check. These fees will vary depending on the amount of the check and your account status. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when cashing a check at Regions Bank. You can cash a check for up to $5,000 per day. You can cash a check that is made out to you or to someone else. You can cash a check that is dated up to 6 months old. You can cash a check that is from a bank that is not affiliated with Regions Bank. Additional tips. If you are not sure if you can cash a check at Regions Bank, it is always best to call ahead and ask. You can also cash a check at a Regions Bank ATM. You can cash a check online using Regions Online Banking. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I will be back next week with another video on personal finance. In the meantime, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and advice.